Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing variables. Plug your PS5 into an HDMI 2. One port with a good cable, set the TV to game or standard mode, and disable any power save or eco picture presets. Once done, power both devices and navigate to settings screen and video on the PS5. Make sure HDR is allowed to be negotiated by the display. These steps ensure the console and TV will pass through the correct dynamic range and let you control brightness properly from the next menus. Now you'll change the PS5 video output to unlock actual brightness control. Set resolution to your display's native 4K if available and enable deep color /10-bit output. Make HDR mode on when supported, then run Adjust HDR. During the wizard, raise the brightness until the bars barely disappear. This sets peak luminance for HDR content. Also check RGB range, useful when your display supports it to avoid crushed blacks or washed highlights. These steps calibrate the console's finish by tuning the display itself. Increase the backlight, slightly boost contrast if needed, and try turning off aggressive local dimming that can clip highlights. Make sure the HDMI input is set to enhanced or 120Hz so the TV accepts full HDR metadata. If things still look dim or oversaturated, update the TV firmware, swap to another HDMI cable or port, and toggle HDR on the PS5 off and back on to force a new handshake. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most handshake and clipping problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.